sits by the fire in his cobweb empire, never looking around, never making a sound. Good night, spider. Good night, spider. Making plans for the day, spinning webs for his spray, never giving a thought to whatever he got. Good night, spider. Clever out, spider. His wise, and he likes little flies, hang them up in a row round his nest and below. Good night, spider. Good night, spider.